Right hand up, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now turning to the left, coming to underhand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and down. Let's do your right arm. We'll just do a set of 8 with your right arm. And we'll do this one where we go up, out, in, down. And 2, up, and out, and in, and down. And 3, and out, in, and down. And 4, out, in, down. 5, out, in, and down. 6, out, in, down. 7, out, in, down, and 8, out, in, and down. Here we go. Right arm up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and turn to the right to overhand, and we'll do 12 here. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Do your left arm. I'm mirroring. Okay, same thing. So we'll go up and out, back in and down. 2, up, out, back in and down. 3, up and out, back in and down. 4, up, out, in and down. 5, up, out, in and down. 6, up, out, in and down. 7, up and out and in and down. 8, up and out and in and down. Okay, here we go. So 3 overhand. 1 and 2 and 3. Now swivel to the left and do 3 underhand. 1 and 2 and 3. And now we'll swivel 6 times. And go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And turn to the left and come into underhand 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to turn to the right and go to overhand. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to swivel 6 more times. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's do this, the lateral pulls. We'll just do 8. So open, 2, 3, 4, and release. And 2, 2, 3, 4, release. Third set, 3, 2, 3, 4, release. Fourth set, 4, 2, 3, 4, and release. fifth set. 5, 2, 3, 4, and release. And 6, 2, 3, 4, release. And 7, 2, 3, 4, release. And 8, 2, 3, 4, release. Right arm up. Here we go. 3 underhand. 1, 2, 3. Now swivel to overhand and do 3. 1, 2, 3. And now let's do 6 swivels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And now end up in overhand. 1, 2, 3. Now swivel to underhand and 1, 2, 3. And now you're gonna do 6 more swivels. 6 and 5